We're all spending a lot more time in the garden these days, and that's actually good news. It's good for your spirit, good for your soul, and it's great for the environment that you live in. But what happens is you start aggregating lots of things that my wife describes as junk. That's tools that you maybe only use once in a while, and it got me looking for something that's a little more compact. And this is it. Garden tools are a good example, and not all are the same. In places like Europe, people have very little storage available, but still need tools. So the world's leading garden tool manufacturer, WOLF-Garten, developed the Click system, a versatile system using just one or two handles and multiple attachment options to allow you to have the complete garden toolkit in a small space. Now, the thing with this range of tools that really makes the point of difference is the design excellence. German engineering always delivers fantastic results, but when you've got that engineering and really good quality, well thought out design, you end up with tools that last a lifetime. In fact, there's no other tool on the market that does that. All you have to do is just click your attachment on and you can go to work. The cultivator is perfect for your next hand weeding job, or maybe a broader trowel for the herb garden work, and so on. This, of course, means you'll have the complete range easily stored in a small box and not getting lost or taking up excessive amounts of room in the shed. The thing with WOLF-Garten tools is, well, they're no ordinary tools. So you're not going to find them in any ordinary retailer. They're only sold through dealers. And if you want to learn a bit more about them, or maybe find out the nearest dealer to you, all you have to do is check out this website. And when you go in, they'll show you all the tools, how they work, how they can be used in your garden environment best, and what you might need. Fantastic. Check them out.